So here's how to fix ChatGPT error in message stream in the mobile app version. So first you want to close completely ChatGPT app, and then you want to go to the settings, and then you want to search for apps, and you should open the apps icon. And now in the search bar you want to type ChatGPT, click on it, and then click on storage, and then click on clear data or click on cache, which is pretty much the same, and then choose clear cache, and then click OK. And now once the cache is cleared, you can close this. Now you want to go back to the ChatGPT application and open it again. And now try to use the ChatGPT app again to see if that solves the issue. Now if the issue still persists, try to switch between your Wi-Fi network and mobile data or cellular data, and make sure you do not have any VPNs currently active while you're using the application, and that should generally solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.